how to do differential backups using SQL Server agent. Before going to know about differential backup, we should have to know the difference between full backup and differential backup. So what is the full backup is, it will take entire backup of particular database. So differential database will take only changes had has done from full backup to now. Suppose, see here, my full backup was done at 12:45 p.m. today at 12:45 p.m. Now my now I am executing this one for differential backup. Before going to do this differential backup, I want to insert some data into school table, so I'm executing this one. So I have inserted 12 records. Again I am executing another 12 records. I have executed again. I am executing another 12 records. So totally I have inserted 36 records into school table. Now whenever I execute this differential database, see here, backup database with a differential successfully processed. So when I went to this path, see here, only 663 kb only done, means this is what. So from morning afternoon, after 12:45 to 10:45 p.m. we had only 36 rows inserted in school table. Those changes will comes under differential backup. So let's do another full backup to know the difference of the size of the backup. So now I am executing full backup. See, database successfully processed. So go to the here, see here, what is the size of that one? 2455 kb. Here only just 663 kb. So now these differential backups in production databases, these differential backups will be due by daily wise, but the full backups will do weekly wise, means weekly once they will do full backups and daily differential backups. So to know that, we are creating one new job, and the job name is differential backup of school, and one is system administrator. This is the description which needs. And now we have to go to step, and we are creating one step. The step name is step for differential backup, and type is tsql, and the command what we are executing is differential. So copy this one and paste into command text box. So choose the database anyone, no problem here, because wherever we are just doing school backup only, it is in databases level, not in under database level. So I am clicking OK button. So what is the schedule time? Daily. So it have to execute daily by some midnight or some particular time we can choose it. This is daily differential backup. It have to be recurring, it should have to be recurring. So it is daily process. So occurs once at 12 a.m. at midnight. So starts from today and no end date. So I'm pressing, by pressing OK button, my schedule was created. So when I click OK button, see here, this differential backup job will be created and it will be executed daily at midnight. So that's it from my side.